Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, you need to access Devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Notifications. Then click on App Notifications. Tap on Most Recent and choose the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Google Play Store. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!